What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for all the support I've been getting on these new G80 videos. It's honestly doing a lot better than I expected. But today's a very special day because the car is finally gonna get its first mod. Because I guess some of you didn't think or believe that the PPF on the front bumper is a mod. But yeah, guys, so the car is gonna get a full front end makeover. So it's gonna get a nose job and all that good stuff, guys. So we have all the boxes over there. As you guys can see right here, I have the mesh, so that might give you an idea what we're gonna do. And that is honestly insane, guys. These things are actually really pricey. They're like $150 just for meshes. That is honestly insane. Yeah, if you guys are new to the channel, once again, this is my G80 M3 X-Drive. So we went with the blue interior. Look at that, guys. Blue bucket seats. Oh yeah. This will honestly be the angle right here, guys. Some BBSs lowered, you know. I don't know if the camera's capturing it pretty good, but yeah. All right, guys, we're about an hour into this project here. So far so good. You basically have to disconnect all the bottom pieces, and then there's two black pieces, 2 8mm that go up once you pull the liner back. And outside, I think that's 10mm, 3 10mm on each side. So it would be both. It would be the same for both sides right there. And sorry guys, I'm a little bit out of breath. Takes quite a bit of work though. Not gonna lie, just kind of messing with that liner and stuff. And especially since I didn't take off my wheel, so it makes it a little bit more harder. But you just have to turn the wheel. But other than that, this is how it looks. So, as you guys can see here, it's not too damaged. I'll probably just wash it off, clean it with a rag or something right now before putting all that other stuff in. But we'll just start disassembling this piece. We're gonna hot glue the mesh pieces to the carbon fiber so they don't move at all. All right, guys, so I finally finished the front bumper. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of it. It honestly looks badass. And now we're just gonna mount this thing back on the car. I think we're gonna have to wash the car because this thing is literally filthy, guys. Like, I cannot explain to you guys how dirty these wheels are, literally. Look at that, bro. Come on, watch. Bro. But anyways, we're gonna get this thing all cleaned up, clean this whole garage up because it's honestly a mess. I for sure have to say that this job is definitely a two-person job, guys. If you wanna do it by yourself, I mean, go for it. But you're gonna have challenges throughout the way, but it's not impossible, but having two people would definitely make it a lot easier. All right, guys, actually, before shooting the cinematic stuff, I actually wanna give, I don't know if I already said it, I want to give a huge shout out to Cencal Motorsports. This is their card right here. That's all their stuff over here. Thank you guys for sponsoring me. And well, yeah, so they actually really package everything pretty good. The fitment is not bad at all. They could maybe use a couple tweaks here and there, but overall this thing is kind of literally perfect, guys. I like how it has like some padding around here. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it actually turned out really good. But I just wanted to say that it's literally 11 o'clock at night. I've been here since like 6 p.m. I think, so it's been a while. So I'm gonna go get some rest and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm giving the car a quick wash. This is a better view of the car. Look at that, guys. I think it looks insane. But yeah, guys, so I'm washing it real quick. And then once I get it all cleaned up and everything, then I'm gonna install that front lip. Hopefully it comes in today. It still has not came in. Today is Wednesday, I believe. Yes, Wednesday. So it said it was gonna come today, but we'll just have to see. It might come tomorrow, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna come today. we got the ramps loaded up. I just finished washing the car, and I just got news that the lid actually came in right now. So we're gonna head back home, and we're gonna try to install this thing using rivets, because I do not trust screws. Yeah guys, this thing is literally looking insane. Look at that color, bro. That is nuts. That gold flake right there, sheesh. And I got the wheels looking somewhat new, finally black again. But yeah guys, this thing literally looks insane. This might be my thumbnail right here, honestly. It looks crazy. And look at that, guys. We just got the notification. All right guys, we just came to the house, and look at what we have here, the freaking front lip. All right guys, we have the car mounted up on the ramps right here. I got the carbon fiber pieces. But anyways, let's slap this thing on and let's see how this fits.